Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Opera GX. First, understand that while Opera GX is a fantastic browser for gamers, Roblox itself needs a dedicated application to run. You'll use the browser to navigate to the Roblox website and select games, but the actual gameplay happens through the installed Roblox player. Make sure your Opera GX is up to date for the best experience. Next, open your Opera GX browser and go to the official Roblox website. Once there, either log in to your current Roblox account or easily create a new one if you don't have one yet. When you select any game to play, the website will prompt you to download and install the Roblox player. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this quick installation process. After the Roblox player successfully installs, it will typically launch the game you selected automatically. For all your future gaming sessions, simply browse to a game on the Roblox website in Opera GX and click the play button. The browser will then communicate with the installed player, opening your chosen game directly. Remember to allow any pop-up requests from Roblox in your browser. If you encounter any issues, try clearing your Opera GX browser's cache and cookies, which can often resolve loading problems. Also, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection for smooth gameplay. Sometimes, a quick browser restart can fix minor glitches. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. Enjoy your Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.